how to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard alternative characters on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. Then we go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, scroll down and then tap on Layout. In here, tap on Alternative Characters. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on alternative characters. Now, if you look carefully on the keyboard, if I switch it off, you can see it does not show alternative characters here. For example, on the letter H, if I touch and hold, then I can insert the end key. And here we got the percentage key that I can use. So if you touch on one of the letters, it will show the alternative characters that you can use. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.